I'm using 2 bundles of 28 inch, and then I have 1 bundle that is a 26 inch. It is a body wave texture. However, it's a 1B, and I want it to be jet black because it is virgin hair, so you can kind of see like the different shades of color and everything. So I'm just gonna do it a jet black. And then the closure that I'm using is just gonna be a transparent one. I haven't bleached the knots or did anything yet. You don't want to color the knots first and then bleach it, because then it's gonna be whatever fucking color you just did your hair. But I have this closure here as well. This closure is only a 5x5. It is not an average size, and this is just gonna help me be able to do a deeper part into my middle part, so that way it looks more natural. Go ahead and like and subscribe the video as well before I show you guys my little secret, okay? But don't be telling everybody, because if you tell everybody, y'all gonna be, just don't tell everybody, damn it, okay? Alright, so what you're gonna need like a plastic bin or something that you can put like a lot of water in. Don't laugh at me, y'all. I didn't have, you know, most simple one, so I have to use like a drawer, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. And then of course you want whatever color you want, but obviously I have jet black, and I have 2 different ones, so it ain't no reason why this not gonna come up black, because I want my shit black, okay? And then I have some crystal clear too, just because that kind of helps with the shine and just to have more of a polished look on the hair as well. So you want to fill this up with some hot water. You should be wearing gloves, but I'm kind of savage. I really don't care about color on my hands, so I'm just gonna pull that up in there like that. And of course, keep some, because you want to make sure that you have enough, just in case what you did is not enough. And what the first thing you want to do, you want to take your bundle one by one, okay? Don't be in no rush. You take your band off first, and you dip it in. You're gonna want to let that sit in there. You want to spray your lace on this so that way it doesn't turn black. And I obviously don't want my shit to turn black, so we're gonna use the whole can. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, use a nice amount, so that way when you wash it off, it's gonna. And then you dip the hair. Don't dip the neck. Dip the hair. I need to see. I can see it. I'm wanting to be on the hair, not on the pink towel.
Pink dog cooking.
You say what? Plus you can't close the screen like that. You want some different headphones?
Pink dog cooking.
So now you can see the lace on this closure is not black. It is still the same transparent lace. The hair is black. You don't see any gray hairs because it's virgin hair. You don't see any light brown